So I've combined a couple of parcels together to share them all at once today because I just thought that would be a little bit more exciting and a little bit more fun. So these are all ordered from Pitt Trading, so I've got my cute little card. And I took advantage of their Liberty sale that they had a few weeks ago now, and I grabbed 3 pieces. So as I explained in one of the other videos, my parents recently lost everything in the floods in Lismore, which included having to help my mum throw out her fabric stash, which was quite sad, but there was no way it could be saved. So I've grabbed some Liberty to help replace some of the things for her. The blue is going to be some pillowcases, which I am going to make for her and take them up next time I fly up. So that's what the blue is going to be. And then these two, I don't actually have any specific plans, but I thought I'll keep one and Mum can have one and she can decide. And when I ordered them, I hadn't actually realised they're the same, but just the prints are in 2 different colorways, which is actually hilarious that I didn't figure this out, but yeah, they're the same, I'm fairly sure. If not, they're incredibly similar. They're both very beautiful, so I don't actually mind either way. And yeah, I will talk to Mum and when she's ready and see which one she would like, and then she can have it. If she wants both of them, she can have them, so that's fine. But I just thought that was really that was a cute little trio of ones, and just took advantage of the sale while they were there. So yep, that was my 3 Tana Lawns. And then I was on the bus when the sale came up for some dead stock supplex that Pitt Trading had got in. So I grabbed 3 colours while I was on the bus. So I got the pale pink, the sagey green, and the eggplant. So supplex is an athletic fabric. It is super smooth and has a slightly almost plush kind of feeling to it. So my hands are in a complete wreck of a state at the moment, and even now I can just feel that like I'm snagging them on my hands because my hands are so ruined after helping clean up after the flood. But they're really lovely. They're nice and thick, feel good and solid, but have like a lovely amount of stretch to them. As they stretch, they have a good rib kind of look to them. The paler colour, as expected, has a little bit of show through on it. If I pull really hard, you can kind of see what people would normally say, oh, you can see skin. You're actually not seeing skin, I don't think. I actually think you're seeing shadows, which I would, honestly, I would expect in such a pale coloured stretch fabric. So I'm not bothered by shadows, but my plan for these 3 had to be kind of to do some mixing and matching. I wanted some pieces for winter workouts. I don't have any long sleeve tops to wear if I'm going out for a walk or for a run. And for a run, I would normally like walk for a bit and then get to the spot where I would run badly because I'm not a great runner. But I just wanted to keep warm. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. Some long sleeves, maybe some tights. Yeah, kind of got some ideas. I really want to play with my cover stitch machine. So I just thought, while these are on sale, they were down to $7.50 a metre. It was just such a great chance to grab some pieces and make some new things and play around with my cover stitch machine. So that's my plan for those ones. So yeah, not super exciting sewing plans per se for either the Liberty or the supplex yet. Just sort of some basics and then some replacing things with Mum and see where I get. But yeah, it's always nice, and now I just got to wait for the weather to clear up so I can actually wash them out and get ready to sew.